Amazon just made Alexa smarter than ever. In 2025, Echo devices now run on Alexa Plus, Amazon's new AI upgrade. It remembers conversations, gives smarter replies, and feels more natural. Let's start with the Echo Dot Max, the most powerful dot yet. It features Amazon's AZ3 chip for better on-device AI and faster wake word detection. Sound is deeper, voice recognition is sharper, smart home control is faster. Next, the Echo Studio 2025. Now smaller in size but bigger in performance. It supports Dolby Atmos and spatial audio for immersive sound. Perfect for music, movies, and multi-room audio setups. Now let's talk about Echo Show models. They feature improved cameras, smarter widgets, and better displays. Alexa Plus adds contextual suggestions directly on screen. Setting up Echo is simple. Plug it in. Open the Alexa app. Connect Wi-Fi. Personalize voice, language, and smart home devices. Need to reset? Use the Alexa app or press model-specific buttons. In India, Echo Dot Max and Echo Show models are launching in late 2025. Pricing starts around $7,499 for Dot Max. But there's a catch. Alexa Plus may require a subscription. Privacy and cloud processing concerns remain for some users. Still, Echo 2025 marks a major leap in AI-powered smart home devices. If you're upgrading your smart home, this is Amazon's smartest lineup yet. Subscribe to The Smart Innovator for more AI and smart home breakdowns.